news today, guys. Had to tear out all of our Brussels sprouts. They came to a horrible end. We made some mistakes, so we've learned something. But as you'll see, it's a pretty sad affair. I probably just pulled out about 18 plants. It's just a sad thing to put all that time and care into something and watch it fade away, and you have to throw it in the compost pile. It grew pretty well this year. We definitely learned some lessons because, as you can see, we didn't cut back the leaves to allow the Brussels sprouts to form properly. You know, they're obviously forming here, as you can see. We had this frost move in, or the freeze that happened. You know, it just finished them off. You can see the Brussels sprouts there, and they look pretty good. The ice set, there's mold and mildew on all of this.